autonomous. The core competency of this robot is the screen which you are seeing right now, which can be used for the promotional thing. So this is a robot which can be moved from point A to point B. Now, the USP of this robot is the tray. It has got 4 trays which can carry the load up to 40 kg. Every tray has the capacity of carrying 10 kg of food. It has got such strong sensors that if any obstacle come across, it is going to change the direction at the same time. So it needs to have a charging of 3 to 4 hours, and then it can run to maximum 7 to 8 hours. So yeah, and then this is the emergency button. So if any obstacle come across and you feel like that you should be stopping the robot, so you can press this button and you stop the robot at the same time.
So you mean to say it could be manually stopped as well as the sensor can stop it?
Exactly. So this is the kind of alarming button which you can use if any kind of obstacle you see and you want to see stop the robot. So you can definitely use this button at the same time. So the screen which you are seeing right now, this is for the small mind of the robot, where all of the functional thing has to be done on the screen. So where even every command can be done on the screen, and then you can also do it via tablet. Like we are in future planning to integrate tablet and mobile phones and watch at the same time.
So can you show us how to put it into some axis or some table?
Yeah, definitely we can do that. So we need to give input for the same to allocate it to the right set of table. Basically here we have marked the 4 tables, like the table number 1, table number 2, table number 3, table number 4. And if we select the table number 1 and click button 4, go to the table number 1, like you see, heading to the destination one. So basically there has to be a mapping which has to be done, and then accordingly it will be taking the input and then it will be going to a certain table. So the plus point is that it can deliver to 4 set of tables at the same time, and which practically is not possible by the human. So this is what this robot can do. Yeah. Hi. And at the same time, it is going to, greet the staff, the people outside, whosoever is coming at the lobby area, and if your VVIP guests are coming, so it can also be used for the greeting purpose at the same time.
What is the technology that is behind it? What is the technology that is behind it?
So this is something which we are building in-house only. Yeah, that's it.